For most enthusiasts, the privilege of owning a classic car isn't about numbers or return on investment. It's about heading out on the weekend and having a little bit of fun. That's why rides like this awesome '69 Camaro have such a loyal following. The beneficiary of a detailed ground-up restoration, this Panther wears an icy coat of Dover White 2-stage that's as smooth as it is glossy. Solid body panels align well, presenting the kind of fit and finish that's common on high-level builds. That alignment serves as an excellent canvas for Hugger Orange rally stripes, and those stripes parallel a full register of Rally Sport bolt-ons to complete an impressive head-turning profile. Open the doors and you'll find an orange houndstooth interior that feels like an island of vivid bliss. A vinyl-trimmed bench complements deluxe bucket seats. A wood-trimmed dash founds rebuilt gauges above a direct-fit cassette deck. And the wood-trimmed console hosts a trick armrest, 4-pack accessory gauges, and a traditional horseshoe shifter. Toss the hood and you'll find 502 cubic inches of Chevrolet Big Block that turns 9.6 to 1 compression into roughly 550 horsepower. Behind the Big Block, a proven 700 R4 4-speed funnels torque to a tough 12-bolt axle that's detailed with a polished inspection cover. Well-built, fully detailed, and attention-grabbing in every way, this Camaro backs a lot of show with a whole lot of go. It's what every car guy wants: speed, style, and endless good times. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.